USA Fedral Bank. Welcome to this video where we will talk about the USA Federal Bank, also known as the Federal Reserve System or the Fed. The Fed is the central bank of the United States, and it has three main functions: to conduct monetary policy, to supervise and regulate financial institutions, and to provide financial services to the government and the public. Monetary policy is the process of influencing the availability and cost of money and credit in the economy. The Fed does this by adjusting the federal funds rate, which is the interest rate that banks charge each other for overnight loans. The Fed also uses other tools such as buying and selling government securities, known as open market operations, and providing emergency lending to banks in times of crisis. The Fed supervises and regulates financial institutions to ensure their safety and soundness, and to protect consumers from unfair or deceptive practices. The Fed also monitors and addresses risks to the stability of the financial system as a whole. The Fed works with other federal and state agencies to oversee banks, bank holding companies, savings and loan associations, credit unions, and other financial entities. The Fed provides financial services to the government and the public, such as issuing currency, processing checks and electronic payments, maintaining accounts for the Treasury and other agencies, and acting as a fiscal agent for the government. The Fed also collects and publishes economic data and research, and educates the public about its role and functions. The Fed is composed of several parts: the Board of Governors, which is a 7-member board appointed by the President and confirmed by the Senate, 12 regional Federal Reserve banks, which are located in major cities across the country, and the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, which is the main policymaking body of the Fed. The FOMC consists of 12 members, the 7 members of the Board of Governors, plus 5 presidents of regional Federal Reserve banks who serve on a rotating basis. The Fed operates independently of political influence, but it is accountable to Congress and the public. The Fed reports regularly to Congress on its activities and policies, and its financial statements are audited by an independent public accounting firm. The Fed also publishes various reports and releases on its website, such as minutes of FOMC meetings, economic projections, balance sheet information, and consumer education materials. The Fed plays a vital role in maintaining a stable and prosperous economy for the United States. By conducting monetary policy, supervising and regulating financial institutions, and providing financial services to the government and the public, the Fed helps foster economic growth, low inflation, high employment, and financial stability. Thanks for watching.